Alright you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this label maker from the brand Polono, and I would say we're just gonna open this up and see what's actually inside and how it's gonna work out. First we'll have a look at the little machine itself, then I will try to get the app and show that a little bit, and then we're gonna hop over and print something. It's the P31 version. There's the cheaper version. Don't ask me which number it is, but that there definitely is one out there. You can see that in the link. I will put that in the description, but I don't know. I always think like if there's an more expensive version, it might be better. I don't know if that's actually the case, but that's at least what I'm always thinking. That's why I'm getting it. Okay, so we have a little trouble getting it out, but we will get there at some point. Okay, and here it is. Um, okay, that's nice to have. We have a little QR code which will give us support. And then we have our button to open this machine. There's our sticker pads that we have to put in the right place to use it. Also explains how it's gonna work. That's good. And yeah, that's for the inside. So let's close that back up. Up here we have a button which is for cutting, and we have USB-C for charging, which is always good and nice to see. And the power button, let's see if it's actually pre-charged. I hope it is. Looks like it, even though it's a red light that might indicate that it's low on battery. I don't know. Okay, so here's the app. I did already set it up. As you can tell, it's on the corner P315. It shows us the little printer that we have connected. Then there's presets we can use. We can also do our own, but I'm gonna stick to a preset for our little example here. Let's try this one, and as you can tell, there's other options for texts. You can customize it all the way and then move it around and do whatever you want with it. So that's pretty neat. When you don't want it, you can just hit the bit trash can and delete it. There's also QR codes and barcodes and all that stuff. I'm just curious to see a symbol or a graphic, how that's gonna turn out. So let's grab this bird, crop it, make it smaller, make it fit. Doesn't have to be perfect for our little experiment here. And yeah, I think we have everything on here. We have numbers, letters, so let's push that out. Okay, it's not happy about something. Why is it not happy? Okay, that's the only problem we have when you do these little blind openings and reviews. But I guess, oh, okay, I got it. I don't know why it's in German anyway. But apparently the little printer is not connected, it looks like. Because we have to search for a printer. And it says it can't be found. Why is that though? Oh, okay, I got it. That's not charged all the way, so it turned off. So let me charge that quick, and then I will be back. I will already print something, and then we can have a look. So now we are here. Let's hit print. Okay, we're not gonna write that. Not now. Come on. Okay, so I messed up. I might have inserted the sticker pads the wrong way. So I have to print it again, and hopefully now it's gonna turn out right. Wait, what am I doing? No. Okay, print it again. I'm sorry about that, guys. But we will get there. It's just, no, I messed it all the way up because it's inserted wrong now, so I have to like manually cut it right to print it. So, okay, no, yeah, that looks better. Okay, so that's basically what we did. I can show you what I did wrong before. Like you can tell, I inserted it right or the wrong way, so it printed on 2 pads instead of 1. and left a little blank space in the middle. That's not what we want though. So I got it to work though. This is what it looks like. It's not too bad. Maybe the color could be a little bit stronger. Maybe that's because we just started printing for the first time, but you can definitely tell there's letters and numbers. We have the frame with the little bird in the corner for sure. And if you want to use it, which is quite handy, you can just pull that off and you have a sticker which is ready right away. You can just stick it on there wherever you want it. And that's, yeah, basically our little printer.